Friends, how are you? Welcome you all in special function video series. Today we will see the recurrence formula number 3 and recurrence formula number 4. As you all know that in the last video we have derived the recurrence formula number 1 and recurrence formula number 2. So what was the recurrence formula number 1? It was x j and s equal to x j and s equal to n j n minus x j of n plus 1. This was the recurrence formula number 1 that I have also derived in the last video. You can see in the playlist. And what was the recurrence formula number 2? It was x j and s equal to minus n j n plus x j n minus 1. So this was the recurrence formula number 1 and recurrence formula number 2. So we have to derive the recurrence formula number 3 here. 2 j n dash equal to j n minus 1 minus j n plus 1. And recurrence formula number 4, 2 n j n equal to x bracket close j n minus 1 plus j n plus 1. So this was the RF1 recurrence formula number 1. And this was the RF2. I will write here again x j n dash equal to n j n minus x j n plus 1 and x j n dash equal to minus n j n plus x j n minus 1. This was the RF1 and RF2. So adding these both equation, what we will get here, if we add first and second, adding both equation. When we will add first and second, n j n and minus a n j n will be cancelled out. And this will add. So what we will get here? We will get 2 times x j n dash equal to minus x j n plus 1 plus x j n minus 1. So what I can write here? I can write here 2x j n dash equal to x j n minus 1 minus j n plus 1. Rearranging these two terms and writing first j n minus 1 and j n plus 1. And if we see here, x and x will cancel out. We will get 2 j n is equal to j n minus 1 minus j n plus 1. So here we will get the recurrence formula number 3. We have derived the RF. Now we have to derive the RF4, recurrence formula number 4. So in order to derive the RF3, we will derive here recurrence formula number 4. So in order to derive this recurrence formula number 4, we will subtract RF2 to RF1. When we subtract RF2 to RF1, what we will get here? This xj dash and xj dash will be cancel out. What we will get here? We will get here njn plus njn minus xjn plus 1 minus xjn minus 1 equal to 0. So here we will get, this will add here 2 njn equal to, we will transform minus xjn plus 1 minus xjn minus 1 on right hand side. We will get xjn plus 1 plus xjn minus 1. So here we will get 2 njn equal to, we can choose here x common here, bracket close j n plus 1 plus j n minus 1. So here we get the recurrence formula number 4, RF4. So for the RF3, what we have done? For RF3 we have added the RF1 and RF2, then we have got the RF3, and for the RF4 we have subtracted RF2 to the RF1, where x j n dash has been cancelled out, and here n j has been added here, and this two term has been subtracted here. Then we have got, when we transform this two term on the right hand side and taking the x common, we have got the RF4. So here we have derived the RF3 and RF4 of the Bessel function. I hope you have learned from this video recurrence formula number 3 and recurrence formula number 4 of the Bessel function. Thank you friends, thank you very much.